Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the easiest method for finding HCF and LCM. Okay, if you have a sum which says find the HCF and LCM of some numbers, this method will be the easiest. Okay. So in my previous videos, I've told you separately how to find HCF. There are some three methods. Okay, LCM I've told you in a separate video. Now in this video, I will tell you to find HCF and LCM together, how you can do it really easily. Okay. So now for these numbers, I'm going to find HCF and LCM using just one division. Okay. Okay, so what was the rule for HCF? Till I have common number for both, then I have to divide, right? So 2, I got 6 and 9, still I have common for these two, 3. Okay, now I have 2 and I have 3, right? So I will stop here for HCF because I don't have common for both. These two don't have a common factor. So for HCF, I will stop here. This will be my HCF. I will continue. For LCM, what was the rule? Till I see 1 and 1, I will keep dividing. Even if I don't have common for both, right? So I will divide 1. I will write 3 as it is. Okay, 3, 1 and 1, right? So from here till here, this will be the LCM. Okay, so HCF equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. LCM will be 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, that is 6 into 6, that is 36. LCM is 36, HCF is 6. Is this method not very easy? When you have problems which say find the HCF and LCM of the given numbers, just one division and you have both HCF and LCM. Okay, don't get confused. You will start dividing till you have common for both numbers. Okay, only till then that will be the HCF. After finding HCF, you will keep dividing even if you have one factor for one number. You will keep dividing till you find 1 and 1. That whole thing will be the LCM. This is the HCF, this is the LCM. Okay, so we will try for one more problem. I have 5 common here, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I don't have common for all 3. Okay, so now this will be the HCF. For LCM, what should I do? I should keep dividing. I have common here for this and this. Okay, so 2, 5, I don't have, 5 is not divisible by 2, so 5 I will write as it is. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Again I am doing 2, I will write 5 as it is, 3 as it is. 5, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1 and 1 till I find 1, 1, 1. So all this will be the LCM. So what is the HCF? HCF is 5. LCM is 5 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Okay, so 300. That is 300. So HCF is 5. LCM is 300. Okay, so please try with many more numbers. If you have any doubts, if you have any problems, please let me know in the comment section. Hope this video is very useful for you. When I came to know this method, I was really happy. Okay, it makes my work so much easier, right? Okay, take care children. Bye-bye.